Alright guys, we're going to take just a second and talk a little bit about surface tension. In your notes, you have the fact that water has two kind of properties, has a lot of properties, but two important ones that we started with, which is adhesion and cohesion, okay? Cohesion is water's ability to stick to itself, okay? And adhesion is water's ability to stick to other stuff, kind of like adhesive tape sticks to other stuff. So because water's polar, remember we talked about that, it wants to stick to other things, which is adhesion, and it wants to stick to itself, which is cohesion. And so with surface tension, let's draw this out in your notes. And so you have these water molecules. Let's say this is the swimming pool. And you have these water molecules. Remember, they all kind of look like Mickey Mouse, okay? And so you can draw a couple layers of these water molecules. And what happens, because they are polar, they're attracted to each other, right? And that phenomenon is called cohesion. Cohesion. And so what's happening is this water molecule bonds with this one, and they pull on each other. Now, the thing that's holding them together are hydrogen bonds. That's what holds water to water, are hydrogen bonds. And what happens at the very surface is that all of these water molecules below are pulling down on this top layer. And they're pulling down so hard that we get this kind of film of water, and that's surface tension, okay? And so much surface tension, in fact, that if you jump from a really high cliff, let's say, into a lake, and you land with your hands like this, man, you feel that. You feel the breaking of those hydrogen bonds, and it actually hurts, right? Because you're breaking those hydrogen bonds with such force. Hydrogen bonds are normally really weak, and we know that because we can step into a pool and it doesn't hurt, right? We can put our hand under a stream of water and it doesn't hurt. But when we fall from a really high distance, and say we do a belly flop, even from not that high, maybe just from like a diving board, we break all those hydrogen bonds all at once, and that does hurt, okay? So that's a little bit about cohesion and how water likes to stick to itself.